2011 Honda Fit Sport Edition. It's a 2-owner car, perfect Carfax, no accidents, no issues. Automatic transmission, auxiliary line in, non-smoker. Current PA stickers, no rust on the body on this car, very well maintained. Serviced, safety inspected, road tested. I said this car is very nice. It's clean, it's been maintained. Tires are very nice. This car is going to get a 3-month 4,500 mile service contract. That's going to be on the drive line. It's going to get a free Carfax. It's going to get gasoline, and you're going to get approved. Down payments start at $795 on this car. DasCleveland.com.